और Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
हम लोग का फोटो अच्छा होना चाहिए पूरा एडिट करके
Kipulit kilakir pelun yakni kacaka hakandailan namar bala don kapla kabahe yakaba omshim na don bawan kamtarai satya kipulit pelit bomru kilawan poi hakni kacaka ban pen lakadaini em kabadan bom omsha ikipat ba bagintur syakni kacaka namar bala dadai sisa kabadan bom kan bu jingma yaki
कौन पैसेंजर नहीं वो ना ड्राइवर पैसेंजर का वो गाड़ी में वो लोग चला गया था फिर घूम के आ रहा है वो लोग डिक्की में डाल दिया बोल के सोचा था लेकिन डिक्की में डाला नहीं गोविंदर गाड़ी हम लोग का फोटो अच्छा होना चाहिए पूरा एडिट करके काला कॉपी यार भाई साहब
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.